Hi guys, sorry the last video was a little crazy. So here we go. We're going to continue the lesson on properties of logarithms. This is express the equivalent, an equivalent expression that is a single logarithm. So I want to bring it for many logs. As you can see, it's many. I'm just going to highlight it here for you. See, I've got 1, 2, 3, and I want to bring it down to 1 logarithm. So I want to write it as 1. So we're going to go backwards. We're going to condense it down instead of expand it out. So I know that I'm going to have a log base A. Okay? And here we go. I have x, and there's a number in front. So this number is going to go as the exponent. So it's x to the 1/2. And it's a minus sign, so minus means divide, okay, by this number goes y to the 7th, and then it's a plus, so that's times z. So let's write this out correctly. So I have, I'm going to write it right here, log base A of x to the 1/2 z all over y to the 7th. Done. And there you go. Okay, so now we're going to look at the second one. I think the second one's a little complicated, but we're still going to work on it. Okay, so plus means what? Plus means times. Great. So I have a multiplication problem. Okay, so I have log base A. There's no exponent, so there's nothing in front of the log, so I'm not having an exponent. Log of A of B over the square root of x times the square root of bx. So I can rewrite this. I just want you guys to know I can rewrite this right here. This part, as I'm circling it with my pen, I'm sure you guys can see it. This part right here can be rewritten as this. So I can rewrite this as log base A of b times the square root of b times the square root of x all over the square root of x. So what happens there? Okay, before everyone freaks out, let me go back to here, because I can already see you guys going, what? So this part right here, I just factored. Is it okay that I factored it that way? I factored it from here. Is the square root of b times the square root of x equal to the square root of b times x? Yes. So I just factored it. And why did I factor it? Well, I want to be able to do this. That makes a 1, correct? So if I'm going to simplify this, this becomes log base A of b square root of b. And there is your answer done. Okay? Okay. All right. So I'm going to stop here. We're going to go on and do some problems. If you're still having difficulties with this part, please make sure you're asking, although I am putting on some more online help for you too. But please make sure that you're asking for help. I'll see you back in a few minutes for the last section. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.